Question, what do you want to make? What do you want to design? And who is your customer? Who's gonna wear it? This is really important. There are several categories that we're all familiar with, right? So, do you want to be your next Calvin Klein, which is known as ready to wear, by the way. It's a combination of mix and match. Or do you want to be the next Lululemon, like active wear or athletic wear? Or do you want to design bridal wear, creating these elaborate designs, working with layers of lace and chiffon and taffeta and satin and so on? Or do you love children's wear or menswear? Menswear is usually a bit more conservative than women's wear, but hey, let's hear it for the menswear. There are also subcategories such as gothic fashion and vintage, punk, boho chic, if you like that bohemian hippie influences, right? Of course, we can't leave out haute couture, which really means high fashion, like Dior, for example, creating exclusive, custom-fitted, high-end, limited edition fashion items. Who is your customer? Having a clear awareness of this will help you stay focused and create a cohesive collection.